arts are essential to a well-rounded education, and Knox County Schools is committed to providing students with opportunities to excel. That's why we're so grateful for a generous gift that was recently announced at 3 of our middle schools. The Mr. Holland's Opus Foundation selected Bearden Middle, Gresham Middle, and Vine Middle to receive more than $180,000 in musical instruments donated through the CMA Foundation. This gift includes dozens of instruments and will make a tremendous difference for student performers at these 3 schools. I want to thank these 2 foundations for their generosity and also say thank you to the donors, volunteers, and educators who support the performing arts throughout our community. Speaking of educators, KCS visual art teachers are being honored with an exhibition in the downtown gallery over the next few weeks. The Art Source 2024 exhibition includes works by teachers from across KCS and runs through May the 17th. It's inspiring to be reminded that our art educators are also talented artists themselves. If you get a chance, please consider stopping by the UT Downtown Gallery at 106 South Gay Street to see their work. I also want to remind our community that School Bus Driver Appreciation Day was celebrated this Tuesday, April the 23rd. Bus drivers play an important role in transporting students to and from school, and they also serve as a positive presence in the lives of young people. I'm grateful for the bus drivers who serve in our community, and I would encourage families and students to thank your bus driver this week. Finally, I want to remind our community that KCS is always looking for talented employees who have a heart for students. We have a wide variety of positions available, and if you know someone who is interested in joining our team, please ask them to visit knoxschools.org/recruitment for a list of available positions. Thank you to Ridgedale for hosting this week's message, and as always, thank you for supporting Knox County Schools.